Well, here we are, March the 14th, 2012, and this 4-inch single cylinder Burrell is now finished. It's painted in 2-pack, Ford garnet red is the colour, and the lining colours are, the yellow is Craftsmaster pale gold, and the blue is Ford's and Major blue. It stands out quite well, the lining. You come and look at the wheels, yellow grey, it's quite nice. Coming round to the footplate, we have the pump bypass, steam valve for the water lifter, throttle, steam valve for the injector, reverser, and cylinder drain buttons. The pressure gauge still wants its red line button on, 120p. Coming around the other side, we have the water lifter, which wants some black straps instead of white. The valve for the water for the injector, which is down out of sight behind the gear guard. Coming along, the black parts that are hot, the smoke box chimney and the bottom of the horn plates and the ash pan are all painted with Granville heat resistant cylinder black motorcycle paint satin finish. The other thing, the tyres, they're not vulcanised tyres, but cost about £800. They are just rubber sheet glued on with black tiger seal PU adhesive. As you can see, there's one of the joins, and they cost somewhere, the rubber and the glue, around about £150. And that's it, finished at last.